Hello everyone, bikes updates. 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber, the ultimate bike. The 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. Designed for riders who crave style, power, and a pure riding experience, this machine blends classic bobber aesthetics with modern engineering. Whether you're a seasoned biker or a newcomer to the world of cruisers, the 42 Bobber promises an unmatched thrill on the open road. The first thing that catches your eye is its aggressive yet elegant stance. With a low-slung, single-seat design, the 42 Bobber stays true to the classic bobber silhouette. The teardrop fuel tank, wide handlebars, and chopped fenders give it a raw, muscular look. Jawa has refined the details with premium finishes, including matte and gloss paint options, blacked-out components, and signature LED lighting. Under the hood, the 42 Bobber houses a powerful 334 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that delivers an impressive balance of torque and horsepower. With refined fuel injection and an upgraded exhaust system, the bike offers smooth power delivery and a signature exhaust note that turns heads. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the highways, the ride remains effortless and exhilarating. While the design stays true to its classic roots, the 42 Bobber is packed with modern technology. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time ride data, including speed, gear position,